Hello, I'm Dr. Richard Gould, Acting Medical Officer of Health for York Region. On Saturday, November 6th, based on the recommendation of Ontario's Chief Medical Officer of Health and in alignment with the National Advisory Committee on Immunizations, NACI, recent recommendation, York Region began offering booster doses of the COVID-19 vaccine to eligible vulnerable populations. A booster dose of a COVID-19 vaccine is recommended for the following populations at least 6 months following their last dose: individuals aged 70 and over, healthcare workers and designated essential caregivers in congregate settings, as identified by the Ontario Ministry of Health, individuals who received a complete series of a viral vector vaccine, 2 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine, or 1 dose of the Janssen vaccine, First Nation, Inuit, and Métis adults and their non-Indigenous household members. People who are moderately to severely immunocompromised and are higher risk continue to be eligible for 3rd doses. These groups will benefit from a booster dose as they are at increased risk of waning immunity and greater risk of exposure, severe illness, and severe outcomes. Offering the extra layer of protection provided by a 3rd booster dose will contribute to the fight against COVID-19. Eligible residents can now book an appointment for a booster dose by visiting york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine or by calling 1-877-464-9675. Interpretation services are available. Booster doses in York Region are being provided by appointment only. York Region's COVID-19 vaccine clinics will continue to accept walk-ins for both 1st and 2nd doses for all eligible individuals aged 12 plus. Residents can also receive their COVID-19 vaccine through many local pharmacies or healthcare providers. The province expects to further expand booster doses to all eligible individuals aged 12 plus starting in early 2022. You may have questions about COVID-19 vaccines, and it helps to speak with someone you can trust. Speak to your healthcare provider or call York Region's Health Connection at 1-800-361-5653 to speak with a public health nurse about COVID-19 vaccination to help you make an informed decision. Later this month, we anticipate COVID-19 vaccines for children aged 5 to 11 years old to be approved by Health Canada. We eagerly await Health Canada's approvals, guidance from the National Advisory Committee on Immunization, and recommendations from Ontario's Ministry of Health to further prevent COVID-19 infection, hospitalization, post-COVID condition, and community spread. We have been working diligently with the Ontario government, York Region school boards, and hospital partners to prepare for children aged 5 to 11 to be vaccinated. We are also working closely with York Region's COVID-19 Vaccine Task Force, including local physicians and health system partners, to develop plans for York Region. Every effort will be made to make the vaccination process as comfortable as possible for children and families, including support to reduce anxiety and vaccine-related fears. Parents or substitute decision makers of children in this age group have to provide consent on behalf of the children at the time of the appointment before their child can receive a vaccine. While we continue to be encouraged by the number of individuals who have made the time to be vaccinated, those who still need a 1st or 2nd dose of a COVID-19 vaccine are encouraged to make an appointment or walk in to one of the many pop-up clinics in our communities as soon as possible. Vaccination remains our best protection against COVID-19. A weekly schedule of pop-up clinics, locations, and hours is available at york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. Residents are reminded to continue to follow health precautions which have been set out, even if you have been vaccinated. For example, anywhere there are a large number of people, especially indoors, you are advised to wear a mask when you're within 2 meters of an individual. And while dining in a restaurant, please continue to wear your mask unless you are eating and/or drinking. Although vaccination is very effective, there is still a chance you could contract and spread COVID-19 after being immunized. If you're experiencing symptoms of COVID-19, even mild, stay home and do not gather with others. Seek assessment and testing at a COVID-19 assessment center as soon as possible and stay home otherwise. Thank you for your ongoing support throughout the COVID-19 pandemic to help protect the health of all York Region workers, residents, and our communities. Stay safe, stay informed, stay vigilant, and please get vaccinated.